straight on the trail. We're just here to pass.
Yeah, you're going my way.
Hello there. Hello, it's the 8th, I think so, and we're almost at our destination, which is Vrin. It's been quite a long day. I mean, we in total will have hiked 19 kilometers. Now we're roughly at 17, so 2 more to go. I hope not so much more up left. And in the morning we took one cable car up, which saved us maybe an hour of hiking. That's Ada's favorite lift, right, Ada? And we're going to stay in a hotel. Super nice. Well, there's no other option, to be honest, because around here, first of all, since yesterday all the mountains were full of cows, so you can't really camp around those areas. And from Vrin, the whole area is actually a protected area, so you can't camp there in any case. So we're staying in a hotel, going to sleep. Didn't have a very good night's sleep yesterday. The festival was, I think it lasted till 4 o'clock. And we could still hear the music quite a lot, but it's okay. Just today we're a bit slower. But what keeps me busy in my head is not the trail today, but actually tomorrow's trail, because they are predicting very bad weather again. And what I mean with very bad weather is not just rain, but it's thunderstorms. And tomorrow we're supposed to go into the mountains, you know, in the alpine terrain, not this greenery, and stay in a mountain hut. We also have, I think, to cross 2 mountain passes, so thunderstorms and that kind of terrain are really dangerous. So haven't checked yet how the predictions look now. Let's say if the thunderstorms would start in the afternoon, then we have a chance. But if they start around noon, it might mean that we would have to call it a day or call it a section and skip it altogether. I haven't had these kind of situations. Everything always worked out. I know, I'm lucky. But yeah, we will check the weather predictions and make a call tonight to see what we can do, or what we have to do, what's sensible to do, and how the rest of the hike will look like. Stay tuned.